Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at this very nice brand new Plantmax 400 watt pulse start sky blue or 7000K, whatever you want to call it, tubular metal halide grow lamp. This particular grow lamp was bought off eBay for $12, which was ridiculously cheap if I'm allowed to say that. Now, normally these types of bulbs cost around $80 to $90 a lamp, which is super expensive for vegetative growth and all of that. So that's what these metal halide grow lamps are used for. They're mostly used for vegetative growth. So anyways, let's go ahead and look at the etch now and not waste any more time here and see what makes up this metal halide grow lamp. So I'm going to point it into some light source so we can get a better view of it and make sure the camera focuses it on it. So of course we have our company name on the top, which is obviously Plantmax. Under it we have our wattage, which is obviously 400 watts. And then we have our ballast type, which is the M135. It can also be ran on the M155 as well. And it's recommended for enclosed fixtures only since there is not a shield around the arc tube. So anyways, we have our letter R right here, meaning that this bulb will emit ultraviolet radiation if it breaks. And of course our mercury symbol is also right next to it. And then under it we have our lamp description, and it's actually kind of interesting / a little complex. If anybody knows what this means, the MPS, I do not know what that means at all. Maybe the M means metal and then the PS meaning pulse start. So if anybody knows what the actual meaning of the MPS means, let me know in the comments. And then of course our 400 tells me that's our watts, and then our color temperature is listed here, and it's 7000 Kelvin or sky blue or SBDX, meaning sky blue deluxe, if you know what I mean. So, and if anyone knows the burning position of this lamp, let me know in the comments below. I believe when I looked this lamp up on eBay, it said that it had a universal operating position. So, anyways, the burning position is universal, even though the etch doesn't say it is. Even though the etch doesn't say the letter U on the lamp etch. So, pretty interesting if you ask me. And I believe that is so with the lamp etch, so let's go ahead and look at the construction real quick of this metal halide grow lamp. First off, we have our hard aluminum base with a polished ceramic insulator. Very cool. And of course we have no bulb glue on the bottom because this is a newer lamp. Older lamps tend to have bulb glue on the bottom. And of course we have our stem right here. Very nice, high definition. Don't know what that means on the base of the lamp. Then of course we have our wires which connect to the arc tube, and you can see the ceramic tube here prevents this wire here from melting. Then of course our little, I should say little filter right here, this little getter filter, used to prevent any type of air molecule from entering the lamp if the lamp is leaked. And then of course we have our arc tube right here, which is in the shape of a football. So anyways, you can see our arc tube right here, which is actually, I think it's longer than a 350 watt metal halide lamp. So that's pretty cool. And then of course we have some more straps on the top of the lamp to support the whole assembly of the lamp. And this is a tubular 15 metal halide lamp. This is a longer tubular 15. You just basically measure it and divide it by 1/8 of an inch, and then you have your diameter of the lamp. So this is a tubular 15. So anyways, this one has a tip on the arc tube, pretty cool. And if anybody knows what the halide salts are of a 7000K metal halide grow lamp, please let me know in the comments below. So anyways, I believe that is it for the construction. So now I'm going to give you some specifications about this metal halide grow lamp, and then I'll turn it on for you guys. So this particular metal halide grow lamp here produces 32,000 lumens. So this bulb here is actually equivalent to my Sylvania 400 watt probe start metal halide lamp that I made well over a year ago. And then of course, our average lifetime on this lamp here is 10,000 hours. So it's equivalent to 250 watt and 175 watt probe start metal halide lamps made by any company that I know. So, and the color temperature is 7000 Kelvin, or sky blue, according to the etch on the lamp, which is not in focus. If I can try to get it in focus. Never mind that. But anyways, I do believe this has a universal operating position, so this bulb can be burned in any position, in any way. And this bulb also is electronic ballast friendly. This bulb can be used with both electromagnetic ballasts and electronic ballasts. So that's pretty cool. according to the box that it came in, which is a nice long box because it's a tubular lamp. So anyways, I believe that is so. So now I'm going to go ahead and give this bulb a shot, and we'll see how it starts up. And hopefully there will not be any issues with the arc tube whatsoever. And I know what you're thinking. Yes, I am running this on my 400 watt probe start metal halide ballast, but I have managed to get this bulb to start up from a plasma ball, which is on the right. So since this is a pulse start metal halide lamp, this requires an igniter, which I don't have. I don't have the actual ballast for the lamp, but I have made a solution. I have decided to put a plasma ball on right near the glass of the lamp, and this plasma ball here will emit static electricity from the globe itself to the arc tube, and that's how it'll turn on. So anyways, I also have it, I don't believe I have it plugged in, so let me just plug that in and we'll go from there. So anywho, plug it in, there we go. Oh, that wire caught the wire, there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and shut the light off in this room so we can get a better view of this nice lamp turning on. And this bulb has been slightly used. I have tested it before to make sure it turns on, since it's pulse start, it requires an igniter. And I have tested it with the plasma lamp itself, and this bulb warms up just fine, and it warms up very fast. So anyways, I'm going to set the camera right where the bulb is so you can see the arc tube in action. So now, I'm going to go ahead and give this bulb a shot here. So anyways, enough of me talking now. Let's go ahead and turn on this brand new 400 watt pulse start metal halide grow lamp. Here we go. So the lamp is at full brightness, and as you can see, it warmed up very fast. As you can see, it's really sky blue in here, or 7000K, whatever you want to call it. Really, it really is sky blue. As you can see, this bulb here lights up this room very nicely and very nice sky blue. There's a little bit of hint of white too, just because of the pressure in the arc tube. But overall, it is a very bright lamp and very nice sky blue color. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video of this brand new Plantmax 400 watt pulse start sky blue or 7000K metal halide grow lamp. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you all very much for watching.